Alright, here we go, guys. Got the patch piece all settled. Probably got more than enough screws in there, wouldn't you think? It's cool. So I'm about to put the thin set down, and we'll tape it, throw more thin set down, and then we'll be done for the night. And then I gotta wait it, let it sit for 24. So tomorrow's Friday, so it looks like I'll be cutting and setting the tile on Saturday. So fun, fun, fun. Oh, and I took those pieces out too, because in order, I think they should have put, that should have been 2 pieces. So I made it 2 pieces. Because it'll be hard to put the thin set in there, taking that whole gigantic piece in and then trying to fit it in there. So it's just better to have it as just 1 piece. So that'll be the last piece I'll set. Then I'll screw them down, and we'll come back in a bit and I'll show you the finished set. Alright guys, now it's time for some fun and get to figure out how to do this thin set. Alright, take it easy. Peace.